All right. So we did fuzz, we did Fibonacci. How do we get to the next problem? Some square difference, maybe? The sum of squares of the first 10 natural numbers is this. The square of the sum is this, yeah, because they're not the same. Hence the difference between sum of the squares. Okay. Oh yeah, you're a moderator now so that you can run all the links. All right. Let me catch up on chat. Basically runs your code and shows console log output and stuff. I wonder if it will slow down certain things. Yeah, so it's kind of like a debugger. Instead of saving your file manual running node fib, it will keep evaluating. Yeah, so if you have a video, you don't have to jump out of it. You can also watch for file changes and rerun. I mean, I do autosave all the time, so I feel it's kind of simple to just switch over to the terminal, but maybe it's not. Maybe it would be cool to have it right there. Let's try it. Stalling, reload. Node1, yeah, that's also a good one. All right, so do I need to like turn it on or anything? How do I see anything now? Do I need to type? Yeah, poor CPU. But it's winter, it needs to stay warm, so it's good if it does some work. So Node1 supposedly, not Node1, Quokka is on now, but why does nothing change? Like, where should I see anything? I don't get it. No? Well, let's leave it on and try the next problem, which was some square difference for the first 100 natural numbers. Yes, we're doing, all right, command key. Nope, no results. Let me save this. Some square diff.js. And okay, so you're now saying command Q. Doesn't find any Quokka. And it is enabled. But I don't see these thingies when I have it. All right. Oh, there it is. Quokka. Does it only work in TypeScript? I thought it also works in pure JavaScript. New TypeScript file? No, I don't think that's what I want to do. Is it? Oh, okay, now it does it. Yield 1, yield 2, let current equals 2, let last equals 1. I don't want this. And then while true, current equals last plus current, last equals current minus last, yield current, let generator equals fib, and then gen dot next. Looks like it can't handle that, like it doesn't show me that value. Oh, I typed quad instead of Quokka. Sorry. Oh, all right, I'm an idiot, never mind. Okay, so if we do a new, okay, so you're saying I have to wrap this into a console.log? Oh, and then it's showing me this. Okay, so, oh, that is pretty neat, I have to say, except I don't know how to type. This is better, okay. All right, so is this always on? Why is it complaining about fib? So if I do anything here, let x equals 5, console.log x plus 7. Okay, how do I turn it on if I don't want a new file? Oh, run on save for current file. That's what I want, right? Oh, I don't want to switch. Do I want to switch to Pro? I don't think I want to switch to Pro. All right, I think I will just turn it off for now and keep using the console. Maybe play around with it a little bit offline. So we're supposed to do the sum of squares, and they want difference between the sum of squares and the square of the sum for the first 100 numbers. Okay. All right, so sum of the squares, so for let I equal 0, I less than, for the first 100 natural numbers, I guess 0 is not a natural number, right? Yeah, they're starting at 1, so less than or equal to 100. Yeah. Sorry, Sublime users. The sum of the squares, you want to do sum of squares plus equals I multiplied by I, and then let square of sums. Now I can do this in one for loop, square of sums plus equals I, and then square of sums multiplied by itself. And then, oh, which one's bigger? The square of the sums should be bigger. So square of sums minus sum of squares. We're not in a function, we're just logging this. Node sum of squares. Zero not natural. Cries in discrete structures lecture. All right. Yeah, sorry. I guess Do natural numbers start at 1? I don't even know anymore. Yeah, because otherwise you have n star, right? Which includes 0 as well. All right.